Hello everybody, here I will show you how to connect WooCommerce to Zapier. If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed by the manual tasks involved in running an e-commerce store, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a powerful solution that can save you time and enhance your productivity. By connecting WooCommerce, your go-to platform for e-commerce, to Zapier, a renowned automation tool, you can create seamless integrations between your store and an extensive array of applications. This setup allows you to automate workflows, reducing the need for repetitive tasks and freeing up your time for more strategic activities. Let's get started by opening your web browser and heading over to Zapier.com. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where you will see the Login button. Click on it. If you're new to Zapier, you'll need to sign up first. However, if you already have an account, it's best to log in using your Google account. This method is not only secure, but also simplifies the sign-in process by using your existing credentials, making it both efficient and hassle-free. After successfully logging in, you will find yourself back on the Zapier homepage. Now let's move forward by clicking on the Create button, which is prominently displayed. This button is your gateway to starting a new Zap. A Zap is essentially a workflow that connects different apps to automate various tasks. Once you're ready, click on Zaps. This straightforward action will take you to the Zap creation setup, where the magic happens. Next up, you'll encounter an option labeled Trigger. Think of the trigger as the catalyst that sets your automation in motion. Click on Trigger to proceed. A search bar will appear, and here is where you type in WooCommerce. From the drop-down list that appears, click on WooCommerce. This step is vital because it ensures that your WooCommerce store will serve as the trigger point for the workflow you are building. Now, it's time to decide on a specific event within WooCommerce that will act as your trigger. For the purpose of this demonstration, let's select Booking. This step is crucial because it precisely defines what action within WooCommerce will set off the subsequent automated tasks. After selecting your trigger event, click on the Sign In button to link your WooCommerce account to Zapier. Make sure your credentials are ready, because you'll need them to facilitate the login process. Don't forget to click Test to see if everything is working as expected. This will ensure the connection is functioning correctly. With the trigger all set, it's time to configure the action. What you want to happen after the trigger event is detected. Click on Action and select Gmail as the app you wish to connect with WooCommerce. You need to choose an event for Gmail. In this scenario, opt for Send Email. This ensures that whenever a booking occurs on your WooCommerce site, an email is automatically dispatched via Gmail. You'll need to log in to verify that your accounts are synchronized, and then perform another test to confirm everything is set up properly. Finally, once all tests are successful and your Zap is functioning as it should, click on Publish. The Publish button is what makes your Zap live, allowing the integration to run automatically and handle tasks on your behalf, without requiring further input from you. Congratulations, you've just connected WooCommerce to Zapier, streamlining your workflow and saving valuable time. Hopefully this guide helped you easily master how to connect WooCommerce to Zapier. If it did, please let us know down in the comments section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.